Today we're making a garlic butter Tuscan salmon, served with a side of garlic mashed potatoes. If you're looking for a delicious meal to make for dinner, date night, or just want to level up your meal prep and save money on food, then be sure to give this recipe a try. The salmon is flaky and the sauce is just so creamy and delicious with the mashed potatoes. One bite of this will have you craving more, and it's a surprisingly easy recipe to make. With prices rising at the grocery store and outside, eating out at restaurants can get expensive, and these days we're all about saving money where we can. But that doesn't mean you can't enjoy delicious food at home while also saving money. Today, I'll show you how to make this fantastic meal at home. So, let's get cooking. We'll start with the mashed potatoes by cutting up 3 russet potatoes. Feel free to also use other types of potatoes. Add these to a pot. Then we'll mince 8 garlic cloves. Some of this we'll use for the potatoes, and the rest we'll use for the salmon. Then dice 1 yellow onion. Add water to the pot with the potatoes and bring to a boil. Allow this to cook until the potatoes are soft enough to be stabbed by a knife. We'll also melt half a stick of butter with 3 tablespoons of half and half and 1 tablespoon of garlic in the microwave. Drain the water from the potato pot and begin mashing with a solid object. We can then add the melted butter and cream. Mixing and mashing all at once will get us to the mashed potatoes. This is now done and we can set aside. For the salmon, we'll take 1 pound of skinless salmon and add freshly ground pepper and a pinch of salt as well, before adding to a pan with oil, and add another pinch of pepper and salt to the other side. Allow this to cook and brown. Once the salmon has fully cooked on one side and browned, we'll flip and allow to cook on the other side. Make sure the salmon does fully cook. This may vary based on the thickness of your salmon. Then remove and deglaze the pan with half a stick of butter. We'll then add our onion, and garlic. Allow to brown for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we'll add 3 ounces of sun-dried tomatoes. Mix it all together. Next we'll add 1 pint of half and half. Give this all a toss and bring back to a simmer. We can also add a little bit more of freshly ground pepper. Then we'll add 1 cup of baby spinach and mix. This will soften up the spinach. After about a minute or so, we can then add 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese and give it a final mix. This is smelling really good right now. Once our sauce is all ready, we can add back the salmon. And boom, you have a wonderful garlic butter Tuscan salmon. This is so delicious and just melts in your mouth. The flavor from the salmon just pairs so nicely with the creamy sauce and spinach. Combined with the mashed potatoes, and this is a great dinner meal that is surely to impress. The best part is that it's not overly complicated, but it delivers on the flavor. Be sure to share this with someone that you know would enjoy, or make it for them for dinner. Here are today's ingredients. If this looks yummy, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and let me know what your favorite foods are in the comments below. We'll see you next time.